Hello my crypto friends, this is Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel. Before we do anything else, I would like to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. You guys are doing an awesome job. So for those of you who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I bring out every day. So in this short video, I just want to show you guys how to buy your certificate in Futurion, and just know that you can get started from as low as $100 up to 250,000 US dollars for the highest package. And this is my back office. As you can see, the profitability board from the 12th. It has been earning 0.8, 0.84, 0.9, 0.85 and 1%. So to jump into the video, just have to go to menu, then you click on buy digital certificate. It will bring this information. Remember that the daily reward is variable percentage from 0.5% to 2% per day, and the first reward happens after 24 hours from the digital art certificate purchasing. So the total reward by any digital art certificate is limited to 250%, and the digital license certificate is automatically deactivated after reaching the dedicated outcome in 250%. So if you buy a certificate worth $100, it will mean that it will earn you daily earnings until you get back 250%, which is $250. So this is the first the first certificate, or the lowest is $100, and the highest is 250,000 US dollars. So in this tutorial, I just want to show you guys how to buy the certificate, and I'm going to use the lowest, which is the minimum, to get started here. So you go to the lowest, which is $100. You click on buy, and then it will show you the different payment gateways. There is Perfect Money, there is BTC, there is ETH, there is Litecoin, and there is USDT. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use BTC. You click on BTC and you click on buy, and it will bring this QR code. So if your wallet is on another platform, you can just scan the QR code and send the money to it. So here I'm going to just copy the address and the amount to send to it and send to it. So this is the address. I've copied it. I go to my trust wallet. The funds are in a trust wallet. So this is my trust wallet, and I'm having 0.02 BTC. So I go to BTC, I click on send, recipient address, I put it here, the amount, I go back and copy the amount. It is this one here. You copy it also, come and paste it here. So you can see it is worth 199.9, which is roughly $100. I click on continue, and I will be charged a max total of 101. So in fees, I'm going to be charged 1.98 US dollars. So I send, and it is pending. The transaction is pending. So once it is cleared in the blockchain, I'll be having an active certificate which I've bought. So I'm going to cancel it, and I wait for this transaction to be completed on the blockchain. So I'm going to pause this video and I'll come back and show you how it appears in my back office once the transaction is completed. So it is still pending, as you can see. So let me pause the video. Alright guys, I've waited like for 25 minutes ever since I last bought a digital certificate, and I just want to let you know that you just have to wait a little bit so that it appears in your back office. So I've checked and it has come, and in order to see it, you just have to go to menu and then you click on investment portfolio. Then you'll be able to see your basic digital art certificate FTR, which is 100. So I remember I bought for $100 and it is what appears here, and it shows that digital art certificate is active from 11/29, and also shows the date I've bought it from, and then this bar here that shows the earnings from 0% to 250%. So it is 0 because I've just bought it today. So guys, that's how we buy a digital art certificate in Futurion, and I'll be coming up with some other short tutorials to help you guys get started. So for those of you who have not yet got started in this passive income program, I'm leaving the link in the description of the video. You can also download the PDF on the site. It is there so that you can take a brief look at it. So there is also the affiliate program in your back office. You can click on that and see and everything, guys. So this is a wonderful program. Feel free to get started. I'm leaving my link in the description. You can get started from as low as $100, and also the link to our Facebook group, which is led by team leader Luis Castillo, where we are going to be able to help out each other. So that's it guys, see you in the next video.